Now, how we are making $500 to $1,000 a day so we can spend with our family? As you can see over here, time together without having to worry about money. So with affiliate marketing, the best thing you can do in 2025 is have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. Now, why this is very important? The reason why, you see, my friend, is because in 2025 there is so many information out there online, but what is lacking is the right wisdom, is the right tactical strategies that will take you from zero to hero to actually not having to worry about working all the time 9 to 5 if you choose to, right? If you choose not to work and spend more time with your kids, with your spouse, with your family, with your parents, right? That's what matters in 2025. Now with ClickBank, very important thing is you have to promote offers that are paying really high commissions and that are proven to work, right? Proven to work. So it matters that you choose that offer that's paying at least $50, okay, or has at least some upsells. If you're promoting ebook for $7, no problem, as long as you can make up to $50 or even $100, $250 per sale, right? Because one person can buy your whole funnel. It means front-end offer, ebook, weight loss supplement later on, right? So they will buy, one person will buy your entire funnel. Now it matters what kind of offer you're promoting. To who is your audience? Is there buying intent? Most of gurus, why you're losing lots of money watching this video right now, buying $3,000, $5,000 courses and not getting any results with ClickBank affiliate marketing is not your fault. It's because finally you know that you need to have someone who can help you personally over the Zoom call, one-on-one, and hand-holding you to get those affiliate commissions, right? Because not all audience or traffic or clicks are created equal, right? There's buyer's intent. There are people who are curious only, right? And most of gurus on ClickBank are teaching you in their courses, which is worthless, basically, how to make people curious and run ads to those people, and they don't buy, they just click. You get so many clicks, but no sales. So as you watch this video, you have to understand there are low emotional states audiences, high emotional state audiences. The ad copy that work for females will not work on males. Why? Because of the market's core emotional states. Now, those are the secrets that many gurus are charging $10,000 or $20,000 that I'm giving you for free in this video right now. You have to understand that in 2025, it's not just about throwing some pasta on the wall and hoping it sticks. No, you need the real guidance. You need proper guidance, 20 to 30 minutes per day to start making money. As you can see, I travel to over 63 countries, stay in the 5-star resorts all the time. Not to brag, but to show what is possible with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Once you have someone who can help you step by step, one-on-one, okay? So as you watch this video right now, please connect with me on Instagram, Facebook Messenger, email, or even WhatsApp number. All the links are in the description below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's connect and let's make something happen in 2025.